Good day, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself and my co-researchers. Today, we're going to propose a research entitled Orto-Bag, an eco-friendly, waterproof, and sustainable tote bag. Are you sick of using plastic bags to carry your things or having an organized bag? According to Simon 2005, suggested that the use of plastic bag leads into cancerous disease and major challenges of environment and agricultural production. Damage to environment, large endangered animals found dead or death of animals, and block of drainage system are one of the harmful effects of using plastic bags. Let us introduce to you our product that can help us to have a better environment. Our Orto-Bag. Orto-Bag or organized tote bag is made of recycled materials like junk umbrellas or raincoats for waterproof resistant. Polyurethane foam that came from the covers of new appliances like refrigerators and etc. to protect the things from damages, especially the laptop. D-rings and other rings that we're going to get from scrap bags, and the cloth that we're going to use is from the rejected cloths from ukay-ukay. Finally, we created many compartments to organize their things like keys, IDs, makeups, laptop, and other stuffs. And for the final look, we decided to make it aesthetic by putting additional quotes or taglines that can promote or inspire out our customers.